To set volume up and down keys, a shortcut for sound notification in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap advanced setting. Tap volume up and down keys. Scroll down the screen and then select sound notification. Now you can easily access sound notification live view by pressing and holding the volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. And then select sound notification. If the sound notification is paused, you can resume it or start it again by tapping the setting icon at the top right. And then tap the gray on off switch next to use sound notification to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that sound notification is on, and it will help you know what happens in your home by always checking for sound you want notification about, like when there's a siren sound near you or when a smoke alarm beeps. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.